Welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. Oftentimes, the simplest of dishes create the most impact. This grilled peach and burrata salad is beautiful and bursting with flavor. So good! Peaches are a stone fruit. The term stone fruit comes from the culinary world and refers to the single hard covering that surrounds the single seed at the core of this type of fruit, often called a pit. Some popular stone fruits include peaches, cherries, plums, and apricots. Do you know that stone fruits are a summertime staple? But beyond being delicious, they are high in antioxidants and therefore have a natural anti-inflammatory properties. Unfortunately, they are only in season for a short time, so take advantage and get while the getting is good. Brush the open side of the peaches with olive oil. And sprinkle with a pinch of salt.
Have you ever tried a grilled peach? It's so easy to do, and grilled peaches are such a delicious treat. If you have never grilled peaches, you're in for a treat today. Grilling peaches is super simple. Peaches are delicious on their own, and grilling brings out an extra sweetness that makes them so much better.
To assemble the salad, add a small handful of arugula to a plate along with a couple of peach slices. Hold on to your sun visors because this summer salad is going to blow your mind. This grilled peach and burrata salad is about as good as a salad gets, and it happens to be a real eye pleaser too. Next, let's add fresh cherry tomatoes. I'm holding on to the last glimmer of summer with this grilled peach and burrata salad. Can you believe it? There's technically only 1 week of summer left. Okay, let's go back to our salad. So I added cashew nuts. You can add any kinds of nuts you want. Moving on, let's add the burrata. For those unfamiliar, burrata is a combination of mozzarella and cream. It may just be the dreamiest cheese on the planet. So good. And to complete this delicious grilled peach and burrata salad, let's add the salad dressing. I combined 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of fresh basil chopped, and lastly, add salt and pepper to taste. And it's ready! Grilled peach and burrata salad is summertime on a plate. The mix of grilled peaches, creamy burrata, arugula, nuts, and balsamic is perfect. When it comes to summer salads, this one's a winner. For sure. That is Cooking Simply Delicious. It's really good, I promise you. Oh my god, this grilled peach, are the best. Thank you for watching. For more cooking and simply delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time!